Hello friends, in this video I will make an app to launch a website. So let's get started. I want to name it as WebView. Next, I will choose Marshmallow here. Then choose one activity, main activity. It will take some time now. It is ready. Now first go to activity main.xml and delete this default text view. Let's zoom it, and for web view, to view a website, to make an app to view a website, you have to take the help of web view. It is web view. You can find it in this advanced. This containers here, you can find it in containers. So drag it here, and as we are using constraint layout, so we have to put this constraint. Yes, one error is there. It says consider replacing Android layout margin left with Android layout margin start. So we can fix it here. You can see instead of left, we have to assign it as margin start. So we can do it by deleting this. Just click here. Delete these things, delete this 8dp from here and put 8dp at start. Yes, you can see the error is not there. Now we have fixed this web view, and also we have to set some ID for this. Let's say web view ID. We have set the ID. Now we can give two constants here also, 8dp from both sides. If you give here 8 and if you give here 0, then it will again show this warning. So we don't want to do it like that. Just put 0 0, and now go to the main activities. First, I'll make the reference variable for web view. So web view, say web view, and find its view by find view by ID. Here we web view equals find view by ID. It will return the object of web view. This is the reference variable for web view, and this will return the view object. Find view by ID r.id dot web view ID, and also we have to cast it. So press Alt Enter, then start. Now here we have to get the setting for our web view by just calling a method webview.getSetting dot set JavaScript enable and put here true. Since most of the websites use JavaScript, so we have to make it true to support the JavaScript. So I am here doing this thing. I'm putting here true. Actually this getSetting method of WebView class returns an object of WebSetting class, and so we can think this whole thing as a object of WebSetting class. This object calls a method of WebSetting class. This is a method of WebSetting class. So this object calls the method of WebSetting class. This getSetting is a method of WebView class, and this returns the object of WebSetting class. So actually the whole line implies this is an object of WebView class, and this object calls this method of WebSetting class, that JavaScript. So this will enable the JavaScript. Then one thing we have to do, WebView dot set WebView client new WebView client. If we do not put this line, then instead of opening the website in our app, the website will be opened in default browser. So we have to put this line. It is the method of WebView class, and here we have to pass an object of WebView client. Then WebView root URL, and here we have to pass the actual URL which we want to run in our app. So for example, I will take this URL. This is the documentation for WebView class. You can visit this also. Lots of methods are there in WebView, you can see. So I will take this URL for this example. So paste it here. Our code is almost ready, but before going to run our app, we have to take the permission from the manifest file. If you don't take the permission, the app will not run. Uses permission, write this line, uses permission Android, and here we need internet permission, so we have to write Android permission.internet. Close the tag. This will take the permission to run the app, to open the web, to use the internet, and then run the app. I'm using here Nexus 4 API. You can choose any other also. It's launching activity. See here. It should not take much time. Yes, you can see the website is now loading. It will be visible very soon. It takes some time because I am using a very big page, a very large page actually, so it will take some time. But if you use this in actual device, then it will not take much time like this emulator, because it is slow. You can see the app is ready, and it is showing the website. You can scroll this website also, because this emulator is slow, so it is not showing. Yes, you can see it's scrolling, and also we can click this menu option. But since it's slow, so it may take some time. But if you use the real device, then it will not take much time. You You can visit this website developer.android.com. Here you will get all these methods to work with your. Thank you for watching this video and visiting our channel.